Now let's move on to the next challenge, which is allow user smart contract to buy large copy for 0.003 Ethereum and create a button on the front end website that shows a buy large coffee for 0.003 Ether button. Let's see, do we need to change anything in our smart contract? I don't think so, because there isn't any specific value checked, so 0.003 will also be accepted here. So now let's move on to the front end website and create a button here. Let's send one big coffee for 0.0033. Now let's do the changes in the function. So let's just pass the value by parameter 0.003. Otherwise we have to write another function. So I think that is the better way to solve it. Now let's solve it. Add it, and this one is 0.001 ether. Okay, now let's go to the function buy coffee and coffee price passes here and use it inside here. There it is. Now let's check. Now let's connect it, and here you can see that two buttons. Make them UI changes here. Let's give PR here, PR tag. There it is. Now let's check it. Connect it again. Say hello. Big coffee name. Send big coffee. Now let's send it. Okay, great. It's now sending 0.003. Now let's send it. And wait for it. Okay, great. Big coffee is also sent. Now let's check the contract. Here it is. Buy coffee. We click buy coffee and send 0.003 ether to this smart contract. So that's it. You have completed it. Once you are done with your challenge, tweet and ask to submit your challenge project or redeem your proof of knowledge token. So that's it. We have completed the week 2 challenge. We have learned how to build a buy me a coffee DeFi app. And we will going to cover a week 3 in coming week as we get the email from Alchemy. So do comment me what need to be changed in the format of the course. or if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment. Thank you.